This is the Afreda S6, an electric trike that folds like a bike, rides like a scooter, and handles like a boss. Whether it's city streets or mountain trails, this thing is built for adventure. 2 front wheels for balance, rear-wheel drive for power, and a foldable frame you can store in your trunk? The Afreda S6 isn't just another electric ride, it's a category breaker. And it turns heads everywhere it goes. The Afreda S6 is all about smart performance and comfort. It has hydraulic disc brakes, full suspension, and even an LCD display showing speed, battery life, and ride mode. You can cruise in 3 different speed modes, from a relaxed stroll to zipping through traffic. And yes, it's street legal in most countries. You don't need a license, just the urge to ride. This trike is perfect for commuters, adventurers, or anyone who wants stability without sacrificing speed. It's also a great option for older riders or those with balance issues thanks to its unique reverse trike design. And here's the part one didn't expect, it's actually fun to ride. Because of the tilting front suspension, the S6 corners like a go-kart but feels safe like a scooter. It's nimble, it's smooth, and the low center of gravity gives you confidence even on uneven paths. Also, it folds compact enough to fit in your car's trunk or slide into your garage without taking up space. The Afreda S6 is built like a tank but rides like a cloud. With dual hydraulic disc brakes, bright front and rear LED lights, and air-filled tires that grip pavement and trails alike, you're covered on safety. And the frame? It's made of aviation-grade aluminum, lightweight but tough enough to take a beating.